Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the text outline color in Canva. This is a great way to make text stand out and match your design style. Let's get started. Here we have a text box and we want to change the outline color of this text. We click the text, then click on Effects to add an outline. As you can see, we now have an outline applied. To change the color, we simply click the text box again. Then we click the letter A with the color bar at the bottom. From here, we can change the color to anything we like. For example, let's go to the effects and change the color from there. As you can see, we can change the color to match our preferences. There are plenty of options to choose from. We can also pick a gradient if we want, depending on what looks best. And that's how we change the text outline color in Canva.